to the channel. In this session, we are going to analyze the revenue of Meta, which is also known as the parent company of Facebook, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. You all have heard about it. Okay, we will show you about this volume pattern analysis. At first, you can see here the base support level of this stock was just around 95 during the December 1, 2022, and now it is on around 478.73. It increased around 400 percentage, just around 400 percentage means 4x. And we'll see the revenue of this company. See, you can see here the graph, the revenue graph of this company has increased on increasing order. You can see the revenue was during its peak level during the time of December 2023 with peak revenue of 41.198 billion. Now the current revenue is around 36.455 billion US dollar. So, increasing in the revenue of this company means increasing its performance. The company has showed its very outstanding performance on revenue growth pattern. And you will see the accumulation distribution bar candle where the accumulation started during its peak time of 2013. This October 1st Tuesday. From this phase, the accumulation has been started. You can see here a lot of volume candle are on green, and now the Meta stock is on its all-time high, around its all-time high, which is also known as the resistance level. If you can try, if you exit from this resistance, then may the stock be lower, and you can again buy it and sell it to at the high prices. So consider about it. If you are a day trader, if you are day or a positional trader, there may be the very high possibility of losing your money because up to 1 month or 3 months, the stock may not be accumulated fully because operators are trying to accumulate the stock at the very low price. Be consider and consider about it also. So always use your mind to trade on the each stock because your mind is the most powerful weapon. What you think and what you learn will automatically be shown in your result. Consider about it, and we will do the accumulation distribution candle. You can see here on the accumulation distribution candle, the stock has been accumulated on very high phase during this red volume candle up to the date of October 3, 2022. Stock has stopped distributing and it has started accumulation from this phase, and now also it is on its accumulation trend. So consider about it. We will not analyze RSI, MACD or Bollinger Band. We will analyze just accumulation distribution candle and volume candle. And if the revenue of the company will increase, then it will be very easy to move its stock price because the stock price of the company move on its financial revenue. If the company is performing very well, then the stock will move automatically based on its revenue. If the company is not performing well, then the stock may not move because the revenue growth may not be perfect and may not be outstanding. So consider about it. Always choose a revenue and net profit. and we will choose the net profit margin over here. We will see the net profit margin pattern. If this, you can see here the profit margin pattern is in also in increasing order, showing all out of increase and down and uprising in up. Consider about it, and thank you for your precious time to my YouTube channel, and soon we will meet on next video.